Middlemarch by George Eliot is a sweeping, intricate novel that explores the complexities of human ambition, relationships, and societal expectations in the fictional English town of Middlemarch during the early 19th century. The story revolves around a tapestry of characters, each struggling with their dreams, ideals, and inner conflicts as they navigate a changing world. Central to the novel is Dorothea Brooke, an intelligent and idealistic young woman whose desire to make a meaningful impact on the world leads her to marry Edward Casaubon, an older, pedantic scholar. Dorothea envisions this marriage as a partnership of minds, hoping to assist Casaubon in his scholarly pursuits. However, she soon realizes her mistake, finding herself in a loveless and intellectually stifling marriage. After Casaubon's death, Dorothea faces new challenges and eventually finds a kindred spirit in Ladislaw, Casaubon's young cousin, who shares her passion and idealism. Meanwhile, Dr. Tertius Lydgate, a forward-thinking and ambitious physician, arrives in Middlemarch with hopes of advancing medical science. Despite his expertise, Lydgate becomes ensnared in local politics and is burdened by his impulsive marriage to the beautiful yet shallow Rosamond Vincy, whose social aspirations and unwillingness to sacrifice for her husband's vision lead to financial strain and personal disillusionment for both. Rosamond's brother, Fred Vincy, is another central figure who initially drifts through life without a clear purpose, but eventually finds redemption and maturity through his love for Mary Garth, a sensible, morally grounded woman who insists on his self-improvement. The novel's interwoven narratives illuminate various themes, from marriage and gender roles to political reform and social class. George Eliot uses her characters' journeys to delve deeply into human nature, revealing how personal weaknesses, societal expectations, and misjudgments can impact lives. Through Dorothea's earnestness, Lydgate's ambition, Rosamond's vanity, and Fred's redemption, Middlemarch paints a realistic, nuanced portrait of the human condition and the limitations of idealism within a flawed society. Eliot's compassionate yet unflinching examination of her characters' lives invites readers to reflect on the nature of ambition, the power of empathy, and the ways personal integrity can sometimes conflict with societal norms, making Middlemarch one of the most enduring novels about the human struggle for fulfillment and self-understanding.